the name of Allah, who is most Rahman and most Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. How are you? Hope you will be fine. A very warm welcome to you in BISS online class. Today we will learn about maths and our topic is multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition.
Let's understand the concept of multiplication with the help of these little fish. There are 4 fish bowls. There are 2 fish in each bowl. To get the total number of fish, we add the number of fish in all the 4 bowls. That is, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. There are 8 fish in all. Here, we repeatedly added 2 4 times. This is called multiplication operation. Multiplication is repeated addition. We can do this multiplication operation in an easier way. Let's see how. There are 4 fish bowls. Each bowl has 2 fish in it. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. So, there are 8 fish in all. Let us use the multiplication symbol to write this statement. This is called the multiplication sentence. It can be read as 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8, or 4 twos are 8. Now, let's look at another example. There are 3 bird houses. There are 5 birds in each bird house. How many birds are there in all? To get the total number of birds, we add the number of birds in all the 3 bird houses. That is, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. That is, 3 times 5 is 15. Using the multiplication sign, we write it as 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So, there are 15 birds in all. Now, let's look at the ways to write multiplication. This is called horizontal multiplication. This is called vertical multiplication. Certain terms are also used for the numbers in a multiplication sentence. The number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. The number by which another number is multiplied is called the multiplier. The number obtained by multiplying 2 numbers is called the product.
That's all from my side. Take great care of yourself. Till then, Allah Hafiz.